I like this a lot. Hello everyone and welcome to the church channel. In this video we're going to go over the installation and review of the rear seat back protective liner / mat for the 4-door Bronco. If you want to grab this, you can go to churchchannel.com. We have several products for sale. If you want a discount on this item, look to the website right on the top there. It says additional discounts. Go ahead and click on that. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and just follow the instructions on that page, and we'll send you a link to retrieve your coupon and discount codes. All right, let's get into it. Hi everyone and welcome to Church Channel. Today I wanted to review a couple of items that are going to be selling on the store. Going to be looking at the cargo mat, the mat for the inside of the Bronco, and mat for the back seat and how that attaches. I'm going to break this up into separate videos because those are 3 separate items. So let's get to it. All right. Don't like these, but I need to protect the Bronco from spills and food and stuff. So little one this is her domain right here. So just gotta, protect it as much as you can. I got these for the bottom. If you have kids and you have a seat, I recommend getting this. They also, she's using a booster right now, but it also comes with the back. So it helps protect your seat because sometimes they put a dent in your seats. All right, so let's take this off and we'll go ahead and review the seat back mat. There we go. I want to rip my chair now. Chair. The little one's gonna laugh at that. Daddy, it's not chair, it's chair. All right, take that one off. Got some stuff in here still, but it's gonna blow away. That's interesting. It's my first time looking back there. Okay. I move lumber sometimes, as you can kind of see in there. I'm trying to build up the garage with some shutters, but you kind of see wood chips on here, right? So we're gonna see how this looks with the mat on. As you can see, that piece is long. That's gonna go down there. These have inbuilt Velcro on them that lets it stick onto the carpeted surface. The line goes at the bottom. All you gotta do is place it and you're good to go. While we're here, this is going to go on the top, right? So see the nook right here, that goes right here. All right, so we have this side in. That thing is not going anywhere. So what I did is I had to set the camera down. I lifted this up so I can put that underneath, so because there is some overlap. See that? All right, so we're gonna do the other side. Lift that up. Got wood chips here because I moved stuff on here without this thing on, so this is gonna be good. Take that, make sure it's nicely leveled. Put that up. There we go. That side done. And we're gonna do this piece right here. Lift that up and try to use the corner at the top here to make sure it's good. Set it. Press it down. Righty. Look at that. That is awesome. All right, so we're going to review this seat back mat. You kind of see how thick that is, right? That's gonna protect if you're hauling stuff. And then it's the same thickness actually as the trunk mat. All right. All right, so we're gonna talk about installation, usability or utility, appearance, and the last one I'm doing is durability. So we're gonna start in no particular order. We're gonna talk about installation. Okay, so installation, I will give it a, I don't know, I mean, you don't have to screw anything in, you don't have to bolt anything in. I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10. You know, one of the things I would say is that Velcro is pretty strong. So once you place in it, make sure you place in the right spot. For appearance, I mean, look at that. That looks pretty good. It looks like it's supposed to be. I'll give that a 9.5 out of 10. Next one is going to be durability. So in durability, again, I would like for that to be if it could be thicker. Now I don't know if that's going to make any difference on how strong it is. The material, you know, I folded it, bashed it up, and it's still looking nice. So I'll give it a 9 on durability. And then the last one is utility. That's going to be a 10 out of 10 for that one. That's a no-brainer. And so that's going to give us a total score of diamond. You got all these wood planks trying to build some stuff. We're going to test this out right now. So I usually go to Home Depot and Lowe's to get wood. Set that in there. Look at that. Don't have to mess up anything. That's awesome. I didn't plan that ahead of time for that to fit like that, just so you know. That's a nice piece of poplar right there. Anyways, again, these items are online at churchchannel.com. Please leave us a comment. Let me know what you think about this review for the seat back mats. I think they're pretty awesome. This is not moving anywhere. This is gonna stay in my Bronco forever. So I know Church is gonna love this.